Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Durple from Incredibox. So let's get started. To draw this cute purple sprunky, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big circle. There, and then I'm going to come right next to it. So about right here and draw another circle. There, and connect. Then from there I'm going to split this circle in half. So say about right here, I'm just going to go right across with a line. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then from there we're going to draw a half circle inside right here. So just follow your bottom curve. And shade it in. And same thing over here. There. Now that we have the eyes in, let's go ahead and draw the mouth. So right in between, let's say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line across. About that much, a short little line. There. And then let's go ahead and draw the brow. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve over the eye. And same thing across on the other side. There. So then from there we need to go ahead and draw basically a circle for the head. So I'm going to come to this point right here and just come out next to the eye and just give myself a point. And same thing here, just like the other side. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So I'm going to break my circle in half. It's kind of like a circle, I guess. And just going to go ahead and try my best to draw a big round head. So I'm going to end it about, let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Since I'm drawing big, it's easier for me to see. And I'm just going to bring my curve to this point. And do the same thing down here. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to go up. Finish this big round head. And same thing over here. I'm just going to drag this across. So let's say about right here. Just easier for my hands to go down since I can't turn my paper. And I'm going to finish it off from there. And then we're going to come, I'm stopping right here, but if you're using a pencil, definitely finish this big curve. I'm going to stop right there because I need to draw two horns. So right above the eye, just make sure it's inside of this circle. So I'm going to say about right here, right above this eye. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve about right there. Use this as my guide and come to the other side and draw another curve just like the other side. Then from there, I'm going to find the center of this curve at an angle, and I'm just going to pull it up to, let's say about right here. And I'm going to use that as my guide to come down with two angle lines to create my horns. So same thing over here. Just pull it up to about the same area as the other side. And connect. There. Then we can go ahead and finish our head. So just going to go up. About right here, connect this with a curve and coming down. There. We did it, right? We got this big round head in. Then from there, let's see. Oh, before I forget, let's come in here and I'm just going to lightly draw some curves to give our horn some detail. There. And then we have these ears that we need to draw. So they kind of look like fins, but we're going to come about right here. And I'm just going to draw this angle line. And then, let's see, let's end it about right here. I'm going to curve down. And then right about here, I'm going to curve it back up. And then in the center area, I'm just going to draw 2 curves for some detail. So the same thing on the other side. Just drag a point across, about right there, and right here. So once again, same thing. Just go up, approximate, and then bring it down. Past that point, come down, and then connect. And once again, same thing. 2 curves right here. There. Okay, and then finally we just need to draw the neck. So let's come about right here and here, centering our neck, and we're just going to draw angle line down. And I'll just stop about right there, since I don't have that much room. And about right there. And connect at the bottom. And last but not least, I'm going to put a heart right here like all the other Sprunkies I've drawn to make this my Draw So Cute Durple from Incredibox. I really hope you love how this purple Sprunky turned out and to help you draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.